Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Lucy again with a new video, and today I'm gonna be doing another unboxing for my Boxycharm. I just really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So today we're gonna be having the Boxyluxe, and the price for this box is $50. So I haven't opened my box, so basically it's like a first impression. So this is what it looks like once you open it. And then on the back it tells you the products that you got and the prices for them. It also has the number of the variation. I will put it right here. So the first item that we got is this palette. So this is by the brand B Beauty London, and this one retails for $50. So it has this mirror, and then this is the eyeshadow palette. It's really pretty, honestly. I'm gonna be doing some swatches. So the first item that I chose for my Boxyluxe was this Fenty Beauty foundation. And the price for this item is $36. I got it in the shade 250. So I just hope it matches. I know it gets darker after a while, so I just hope it matches me. It's been a while that I've been wanting to try this foundation, but I'm really happy that it came out of my Boxycharm. So next I have this one by Glow Recipe, and it's the Plump Hyaluronic Serum that retails for $42. This is so cute. It feels really nice on the skin. And it also smells really good. So next I have this one by Duo of the Gods, which retails for $22, and it's the Froze Body Scrub. Next I have this mini heat brush that retails for $150. That's a lot. And this one is the mini one. I could only imagine the other one. Oh. So this is a brush. Next I got this one's by Beauty Bakery that retails for $18. And this ones are the Beauty Egg Beauty Sponges. This one's retail for $18. This is so cute. So there's 6 of them. They honestly feel really nice. Next I have this one by Dominic Cosmetics, and it's the Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner. The retails for $18. I really like the shade that I got. I don't know if all of them are the same, but I really like it. Next I have this one, and it's the Kiss the Stars 24K Gold Lip Plumping Mask that retails for $42. That's a lot for this item. So this is it for this unboxing. I'm really in love with everything that I got in my Boxycharm. I'm really happy with this month. Except this one, I wouldn't pay the $42, but other than that, like I said, I'm in love with everything. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you on my next video.